In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ad post in Canva. First, head to canva.com and make sure you're logged in so your work saves automatically. From the Canva homepage, click on Template. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook ad, then browse the options that appear. Pick a design that fits your brand's vibe and audience. When you find one you like, click it, then select Customize this template to open it in the editor. On the left sidebar, click the Uploads tab. Choose Upload Files and select your highest quality product image or brand photo from your device. High-resolution images make a big difference in ad clarity, especially on mobile. Drag and drop your photo directly onto the existing image in the template to replace it. If you want a clean, distraction-free look, click BG Remover in the top toolbar to remove the background. Then adjust the image by dragging the corners to resize and position it just right. Next, click on the main headline text in the template and type your primary offer or message, like best car for city driving. Keep it short, clear, and benefit focused so it grabs attention fast. Then click on the smaller text and edit it to include any supporting details, such as a feature, discount, or call to action. Keep the wording easy to read and avoid clutter. If you have a logo, add it and place it where it's visible but not overpowering. Usually in a corner or near the bottom works well. Make sure it doesn't compete with the headline or product. Now, let's polish the design colors. Click on the background or any graphic shapes in the layout. If you want to change the outline, open the stroke color settings in the top toolbar, then pick a new color from the options on the left sidebar. Choosing a color that matches your brand and contrasts well with the text helps the ad stand out. When you're happy with the design, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then select Download. Choose PNG for the best image quality or JPEG if you need a smaller file size. Finally, click the Download button to save your ad to your device. That's it. Your Facebook ad post is ready to use. Keep your message simple, your visuals clean, and your brand consistent, and you'll have an ad that's clear, professional, and ready to convert.